So cooling as a service is a game-changing business model that enables building owners or users to access clean and efficient cooling without actually purchasing the system, but instead paying per use of delivered cooling. So the technology provider owns the equipment, maintains the equipment, and operates the equipment. And cooling includes refrigeration and air conditioning. So we are looking for technology providers that offer commercially available and highly efficient cooling solutions that use natural or low impact refrigerants and that would like to implement cooling as a service, but still need some support to bring this from an idea to an actual demonstration project. Manufacturers, distributors, contractors, and ESCOs are eligible, and we're looking for commercial and industrial sized projects with a preference though for sectors with a positive social impact like education, healthcare, and agriculture. The five selected companies will receive free technical assistance from BASE to integrate the cooling as a service model into their business lines and to pilot the model. They will also receive significant exposure and access to our network. If your project is selected, you will work with a team of experts on technical, legal, and financial aspects of the cooling as a service business model. We can support, for example, with tailoring a cooling as a service contract, setting up a pricing strategy for this service, creating innovative financial and risk mitigation mechanisms. We can support with communication value to customers, connecting with the right implementing partners, and much more. So the aim is to have companies after the program ready to implement the first pilot project. Cooling as a service overcomes some of the key barriers to shift to more efficient cooling systems, which are a higher upfront investment, the lack of trust in the performance of systems, and a preference for enterprises to invest in their core business. And cooling as a service also favors more efficient equipment because the fee for the cooling service will be lowest for those systems actually having the lowest operational cost over the whole lifetime, including electricity. We see that cooling as a service is really going to revolutionize the cooling industry, just like servitization has been doing so for other sectors and at a very fast pace.